Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I was thinking about our clothes shopping last week and my plans for shopping next week.
That is a great idea. I had an interesting shopping experience last week. What did you do?
Last week, I went shopping at the new mall in town. I visited 2 clothing stores and 1 accessory shop. It was a fun day.
Really? I also went to the mall last week. I visited 3 stores. I want to tell you about my shopping.
Yes, please. Let's talk about what we bought and how we felt about it.
Okay. On Monday last week, I went to a store called Urban Style. I needed a new t-shirt and a pair of jeans.
Urban Style is a good store. What did you buy there?
I bought a blue t-shirt for $15 and a pair of dark blue jeans for $40. The jeans fit me well, and the t-shirt was very comfortable.
That sounds nice. I also went to Urban Style on Tuesday. I looked for a new dress because I had an event coming soon.
Oh, really? What kind of dress did you want?
I wanted a simple, casual dress in a bright color. I looked at many dresses in the store.
And did you find one that you liked?
Yes, I did. I found a light pink dress that I really liked. It cost $35. I tried it on and it fit perfectly.
That is great, Alice. A good dress makes you feel happy.
Yes, it did. After I bought the dress, I also visited an accessory shop. They had many bags and scarves.
I remember that shop. It is called Fashion Accessories. Did you buy anything there?
I bought a small black purse for $20. It is simple and matches my dress.
You always have a good taste in style.
Thank you, Ben. And what about your other shopping day? You said you visited 3 stores.
Yes, after Urban Style, on Wednesday I went to Casual Corner. I needed a new pair of sneakers and a hat.
Sneakers and hats are very useful. What did you find at Casual Corner?
I found a pair of white sneakers on sale for $30. I also chose a blue cap for $10. The sneakers are very comfortable, and the cap is a perfect size for me.
That is a good deal. I like the idea of buying items on sale.
After Casual Corner, I visited a small boutique called Chic Trends. I wanted to see if they had any nice jackets.
I have heard of Chic Trends. They have many fashionable items.
Yes, they do. I tried on 2 jackets. One was black and one was brown. I liked the black one very much because it is simple and warm.
How much was the jacket?
The black jacket cost $50. I thought it was a good price.
It seems you had a busy shopping week.
Yes, I did. I bought my t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, cap, and jacket. I was happy with my purchases.
I am happy for you, Ben. I had a good day too. I spent about 3 hours at the mall, and I really enjoyed trying new clothes.
Shopping with a friend makes the day even better. Did you go with someone?
I went with my sister. We talked a lot about style and prices. It was fun.
Now, let's talk about our plans for next week. Do you have any shopping plans?
Yes, I do. I plan to go shopping next week because I need new summer clothes. I want to buy a new pair of shorts and a t-shirt.
That sounds good. I also need some new summer items. I want to buy a new polo shirt and a pair of light pants.
Summer clothes are very comfortable. Which store do you plan to visit?
I plan to visit Sunny Fashion. They have many light clothes and summer styles.
I have heard of Sunny Fashion. They have colorful items and good quality.
Yes, I read that their clothes are soft and perfect for warm days. I also want to check if they have any discounts.
Discounts are always a bonus. I think I will visit the same store as well. I want to see if I can find a nice pair of shorts.
That is a good idea. Do you know what color shorts you want?
I want a pair of navy blue shorts. They are easy to match with many tops.
That is a smart choice. I want a polo shirt in light green. I think it is very fresh for summer.
Light green is a nice color. What about shoes? Do you need new shoes for summer?
I already have a good pair of sneakers, so I do not need new shoes. But maybe I will look at sandals.
Sandals are good for summer. I might also buy a pair of comfortable sandals if I find a good offer.
Next week, I plan to go to the mall on Saturday morning. I want to spend about 2 hours shopping.
I plan to go on Saturday as well. We can meet at the mall.
That is a great idea. We can help each other choose good clothes and look for discounts.
Yes, shopping together is more fun. We can talk about the prices and check if the clothes look good on us.
I agree. I also want to compare the quality of different items. Sometimes a dress or a shirt looks nice, but the fabric is not soft.
True. I always try the clothes on before I buy them. I like to check the size and the fabric.
And I always ask the shopkeeper if there is any discount on the items I like.
That is a good habit. I learned many words like fitting room and size last week.
Yes, and I learned how to say, I like this one. And, do you have it in another color?
Practice makes perfect. Next week, I want to ask more questions about the clothes.
Me too. I want to ask if the jacket is 100% cotton, and if the shirt is machine washable.
Those are important questions. Knowing the material helps us decide if the clothes are comfortable for summer.
I also want to check if there are any new styles or colors. Sometimes the store has new arrivals on Saturday.
I like new arrivals. They are exciting, and I can try a new style.
Do you plan to buy anything else next week, Alice?
I might buy a new hat as well. A simple sun hat will protect me from the sun.
A sun hat is a great idea for summer. I might buy a pair of sunglasses too.
Sunglasses are both stylish and useful. They make your face look cool.
Yes, and they protect your eyes from the bright sun. I already have one pair, but I want a second pair in a different style.
That is a good plan. So, next week we both have new clothes to buy and some accessories.
Exactly. I am excited about shopping next week because I like new summer styles and the friendly atmosphere at the mall.
Me too. I always enjoy the conversation with the shopkeepers and other customers.
Last week, I had many nice conversations. I asked the shopkeepers about new arrivals, and they told me about discounts and special offers.
I remember one shopkeeper telling me that they would have a big sale next month. That made me excited about shopping even more.
Yes. Sometimes the shopkeepers give you tips about sales. I like to listen carefully.
I learned many useful words during my shopping last week. For example, I learned the word clearance when I saw a sign for extra discount items.
I learned the word bargain, too. It means a good deal or a low price.
Exactly. Learning these words helps me understand the labels and signs in the stores.
I write them in my notebook so I can remember them.
Next week, I plan to review my notebook and try to use these words when I speak with the shopkeepers.
That will help you a lot. Practice is the best way to improve.
I also plan to ask my sister for advice. She is very good at shopping.
That is a good idea. I sometimes ask my mother for advice on colors and sizes.
Family advice is always helpful when shopping.
Yes, and talking with friends about our shopping experiences is fun too.
I am very happy that we share our shopping stories. It makes me look forward to next week even more.
Me too. I want to try a new store I heard about. It is called Summer Trend. They have many light and colorful clothes for the summer season.
That sounds exciting. I have not been to Summer Trend yet. I would love to visit it.
We can visit it together. Maybe after we go to Sunny Fashion, we can go to Summer Trend.
Yes, we can plan a route. First, we go to Sunny Fashion, then to Summer Trend, and finally check out the accessories section for hats and sunglasses.
That is a perfect plan. I will check my schedule for Saturday morning. I want to make sure I have enough time to try on many clothes.
I will do the same. I want to try on a few t-shirts and shorts before I decide which ones to buy.
And I want to try on the polo shirts and the light pants. I hope they have my size.
I hope so too. Sometimes the best items run out quickly, so it is good to go early.
Yes, going early helps because there are many options and the store is not crowded.
I remember last week I went to the store around 10 a.m. and it was quiet. I had plenty of time to choose.
That is true. I like shopping in the morning because it is calm and I can speak slowly with the shopkeepers.
Speaking slowly is good for practicing English. I like to ask, "How much is this?" And, "Can I try this on?"
I ask, "Do you have this in another size?" Or, "Is there a discount on this item?"
These are simple questions, but they help a lot.
Yes, every small conversation builds our confidence.
I really enjoyed talking about our shopping experiences today. I feel ready for our next shopping trip.
Me too, Alice. I am excited about trying new stores and new styles next week.
Let's meet at the mall at 9 a.m. on Saturday. We can have coffee before we start shopping.
That is a good idea. I will bring my notebook with new vocabulary words.
And I will bring my shopping list with the items I want to buy.
Great. I will write down my ideas too. We can share and compare our lists.
Yes, sharing our ideas will help us choose the best items, and maybe even find things we did not think of.
I am sure our shopping day will be both fun and educational.
I agree. Thank you for talking with me about last week and next week's shopping plans, Ben.
Thank you, Alice. I always enjoy our conversations. I look forward to our next shopping trip together.
Me too. Have a good day and see you on Saturday.
Have a good day, Alice. See you soon.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.